In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your business using Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace can be a powerful channel for reaching local buyers and generating more sales, especially if you approach it with a clear strategy. The key is not just posting products, but presenting them in a way that builds trust and makes it easy for buyers to say yes. Start by going to Facebook and focusing on creating high-quality listings. Use clear, high-resolution photos so buyers can easily see what you're selling. Write descriptive titles that include relevant keywords, because that helps people find your products in Marketplace search. In each listing, include accurate product descriptions, prices, and specifications. The more complete and honest your listing is, the more confident buyers will feel. Next, price your products competitively. Before setting a price, look at similar listings to understand the market. Competitive pricing can help you attract attention faster. And if it makes sense for your business, consider offering discounts or bundle deals for multiple purchases. It's also important to post consistently. Add new products regularly, keep your inventory updated, and renew eligible listings to help maintain visibility. Consistency signals that your business is active and reliable. Make sure you use the right categories for every product. Choosing the most appropriate category helps buyers find your listings more easily and improves your chances of showing up in relevant searches. When buyers reach out, respond quickly, reply to messages promptly, answer questions clearly and professionally, and provide accurate information about availability, delivery, and payment options. Fast, helpful communication often makes the difference between interest and a sale. As you sell more, focus on building a positive seller reputation. Be honest about product condition, deliver items on time, and communicate politely and professionally throughout the process. After a transaction is complete, mark the item as sold so your marketplace profile stays accurate and organized. To expand your reach, share your listings with relevant local buy and sell groups when appropriate. You can also make your offers more appealing by providing flexible delivery options such as local pickup, local delivery, or shipping where available. If Facebook offers the Boost listing feature, consider promoting your best-selling products to reach a larger audience. Then track your performance by monitoring listing views, buyer inquiries, sales, and which products perform best. Use that information to improve future listings and adjust your pricing strategy. Finally, keep